The 2021 NFL season is scheduled to be the 102nd season of the National Football League. The league expanded the regular season from a 16-game schedule to 17 games. The regular season is scheduled to run from September 9, 2021, with the NFL kickoff game hosted by the defending Super Bowl champion Tampa Bay Buccaneers, to January 9, 2022. The playoffs are planned for the following weekend and will conclude with Super Bowl 56, the league's championship game, at SoFi Stadium in Inglewood, California on February 13, 2022. The 2021 NFL league year-end trading period began on March 17. On March 15, teams were allowed to exercise options for 2021 on players with option clauses in their contracts, submit qualifying offers to their pending restricted free agents, and submit a minimum salary tender to retain exclusive negotiating rights to their players with expiring 2020 contracts and fewer than 3 accrued seasons of free agent credit. Teams were required to be under the salary cap using the Top 51 definition. On March 17, clubs were allowed to contact and begin contract negotiations with players whose contracts had expired and thus became unrestricted free agents. Free agency began on March 17. Notable players to change teams included. The following notable trades were made during the 2021 league year. Other retirements. The 2021 NFL Draft is scheduled to be held in Cleveland from April 29 to May 1. Jacksonville, by virtue of having the worst record in 2020, holds the first selection. They selected Trevor Lawrence. The league hired Maya Chaker as the NFL's first African-American female official. She follows Sarah Thomas as the second female to join the league's officiating staff. The following rule changes were approved at the NFL owners' meeting on April 21, 2021. Training camps are scheduled to be held from late July through August. The Pro Football Hall of Fame game is expected to be held on August 5 between Dallas and Pittsburgh. The two teams were previously scheduled to play the 2020 game before it was cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The NFL will release its regular season schedule on May 12. The season will be played over an 18-week schedule beginning on September 9. Each of the league's 32 teams will play 17 games, with one bye week for each team. The regular season will conclude on January 9, 2022. All games during the final weekend are expected to be intra-division games, as it had been since 2010, under the NFL's previous scheduling formula for a 16-game regular season. Each team will play the other 3 teams in its own division twice, as well as one game against each of the 4 teams from a division in their own conference, one game against each of the 4 teams from a division in the other conference, and one game against each of the remaining 2 teams in their conference that finished in the same position in their respective divisions the previous season. Under the previous 16-game formula, the division pairings for 2021 are Intra-Conference AFC East vs AFC South, AFC North vs AFC West, NFC East vs NFC South, NFC West vs NFC North. Inter-Conference AFC East vs NFC South, AFC North vs NFC North, AFC South vs NFC West, AFC West vs NFC East. On December 16, 2020, NFL owners approved a plan to have a 17th regular season game be a 5th interconference matchup against a team from one of the other 3 divisions, based on the position in their respective divisions the previous season. This game was later confirmed to be between interconference divisions that had played each 2 years earlier. AFC teams would host the extra game in odd-numbered years, including 2021, with NFC teams getting the extra home game in even-numbered years. On March 30, owners voted to approve a 17-game regular season. Pairings for the extra games will be as follows, with the AFC team hosting AFC East vs NFC East, AFC North vs NFC West, AFC South vs NFC South, AFC West vs NFC North. Highlights of the 2021 season will tentatively include: the 2021 playoffs are scheduled to begin on the weekend of January 15 to 16, 2022. There will be 3 wildcard teams per conference, and the conference's top seed receives a first-round bye. 3 games will be played each day in the divisional round scheduled for January 22 to 23. The top seed in the conference will play the lowest remaining seed and the other 2 remaining teams will play each other. The winners of those games will advance to the conference championships scheduled for January 30th. Super Bowl 56 is scheduled for February 13, 2022, at SoFi Stadium in Inglewood, California. Morris, the team's defensive coordinator, was previously the head coach of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. With a record of 17-31 and no playoff appearances, he finished out the 2020 season with a 4-7 record. Smith has spent the last decade with the Tennessee Titans and has been offensive coordinator for the last 2 seasons. The Falcons hired Smith on January 16. This would be his first NFL head coaching job. B.